Microsoft Bing Image Creator has gotten an upgrade. Let's quickly have a look at the new changes. It is not a lot. Don't be scared. Just join me. The link I'm going to share in the description below. It is copilot.microsoft.com. When you land on here, you still need to sign in. Like I showed you on this video, need to log in and you are part of the Copilot GPT. It has 5 categories that you can work with, as they call it, a Copilot GPT by Microsoft. The first tab very much competes with the Chat GPT we're used to, and when I compared the two, when I used ChatGPT, I got these results that you see. I did ask ChatGPT to give me a presentation, and the only presentation that they gave me was how to create a presentation, I guess, using Canva or Microsoft PPT, and that they just gave me the content of what I need to create. When I added this on the Copilot GPT and I asked for it to give me a presentation, it gave me a lot more information, which was very useful to me. That's why we love the AI. It doesn't replace us, it makes us better. It makes us good at what we do, because it gave me courses that I can go compare with on Udemy for the course that I'm busy creating. It gave me YouTube videos that I can go compare. It gave me presentations that I could go get at slidego.com. For me, that was very, very valuable. And when I compare the two tools, when I have a presentation that I'm going to create, or when I'm going to create a video and I need visuals, then I will definitely come and do it on Copilot Microsoft. So the designer, we're going to spend a little bit more time together. I just want to take you through the vacation planner. The Copilot GPT vacation planner is exactly that. It helps you discover new places, create itineraries for you, and help you book your travels. So you could use these prompts that they immediately gave to you. I want to ride the camels through Sahara Desert. Of course, you can type it in on here, and then you can add an image if you want. You can even use a microphone if you can't type, and then you press enter, and then it will generate the vacation planner with an itinerary for yourself. This also gets applicable to cooking assistants. This is quite fun. If you're a cooker, or if you have a YouTube channel that you cook at and you need to find recipes or create meal plans, or even if you're a coach and you want meal plans for people that you're coaching and cooking tips and tricks, it is one place where you get all of these things. How cool is that? Let me know in the comments below if this got you excited as well. It got me very excited. But then again, I am an excitable person. The next one is the fitness trainer, where you can help design exercise program, educate on nutrition, health, and wellness. It is very similar to a GPT. It is called a Copilot GPT fitness trainer, and it's just specifically designed for fitness training, and it is available for you to use. So we're not going to play around with these. You're welcome to go and add stuff and play around. Let me know in the comments below if it starts helping you and it starts giving you ideas with your business as a fitness trainer or a cooking coach, etc. Or if you're planning a vacation, let me know in the comments below. I would love to know where you're going. The last one that I would like to spend time on, because we are a designing channel, would be the designer. This is the one that we've created on, it used to be called Microsoft Image Creator. Now it is called Designer, but it helps you create any image that you could create. Your Midjourneys, your DALL-Es, your AIs that help you design these images that are in your head. And I love this app. I really, really do. It creates absolutely amazing designs. So this is a new topic that I'm going to ask, and I'm going to add my prompt. You could add an image, and you could also add a file if you wanted to. The add a file was something that I've never tried before. When I clicked on it, it took me to my files on my computer, and I could double click and pick any file that I wanted to add to the prompt, and then I would submit. And the tool summarizes what I've written, and then it also tells you what it is going to do. You could then rate it, download it, export it, copy it, share it. It's up to you. And you have your beautiful images of what you've created. So you could go ahead and edit it. What I did like about it is It gives you prompts that are in line with what you've created, like sounds touching, how did you, or I appreciate the effort. If you want more, then it does give you more. So it carries on with the chat that you're busy with and the images that you're busy creating, which I really, really like. You don't have to start afresh and generate a brand new image or change the wording if you wanted to change the wording. So I wanted to add the digital airbrush, and then it did that for me with beautiful illustration of the family. So the last thing I wanted to show you with the Copilot is if you go to the Copilot home and you select the Copilot GPT, it lists all of your recent searches as well as chats that you've had with the tool. So there was a chat that I was busy with that I wanted to show you, was the logo one. So you can click and open it, you can share, you can export. But if somebody asked me to create a logo and I want the tool to help me design, I'm not going to copy this. I just needed some inspiration from the AI. What did I ask? I said, can you give me 5 logo ideas for clothing brand? And the chat gave me names. And then the designer gave me ideas. And then when you prompt some more to say, can you make it visual? Then you still continue with the same conversation with the AI to help you get to the point that you need to get to, up until you click and you say new topic. If this has added value, please spread the word, share the video, and you don't forget to smash the like button. Thank you for joining me. I will see you on our next video.